Well, here we go. We're doing carpet baseboard today. Sometimes it could be cheaper than doing wood base with carpet for first-time flippers. We're going to show you a job that we did with carpet base, so stick around to the end. That's where most of it happens, but check this out. Alright, so here we are. We are ripping out the old carpet. Now this was a glue down. We are changing this to smooth edge and pad. Now this is a contract that we've had for a while at a seniors building. We always like pulling out the old carpet and replacing with new and making it look good. The only sad part about this is that usually when we go in is the person has died. So it's a bittersweet thing. The lady was in here for 20 years. That carpet's been down for 20 years. And they want us to rip it out, put smooth edge and pad, which kind of softens the sound for the people below. So we're just going to go through the process and I'm going to walk you through it. Now we're just pulling it back here. Some of the glue is stuck, you can see it. It's not the easiest thing to do. Put it in bags so we can get it down in the elevator. Ripping up the old metal so we can put new metals down. Trying not to break the tiles. Clean that out and then we'll put the new metal in. Get the smooth edge around the perimeter. Get the pad started. Now we're cutting the carpet here in the groove so we can tuck it. This is where the sliding doors go. We use a crowbar to get up underneath there. Tuck that under, nice and clean. It's a nice little trick. Slide that back, keep going. Get that tucked underneath. Clean up inside the corners. Now we're going to get to the base. We'll just give you a look at what it looks like before the base goes down. Rolling out the base. That's a 4.5-inch baseboard. This is very common in commercial applications and condos. It's also good for first-time flippers. Like, baseboard's expensive, you gotta put it in, you gotta buy it, wood's expensive. This stuff is cheap. And you know what? It looks pretty sharp. Like, it finishes off the room really nice. Get a couple staples in there. You don't have to put too much. This is a DIY thing. I think this is a great idea for first-time flippers. Now, obviously, if you have a very expensive house, you're not going to put in carpet baseboard. But this is just a great example of what carpet base actually looks like in a finished application. So we're just going around the perimeter. Making sure it's level, making sure it's tucked nice. You can see how nice and clean that looks. Get it in the corner, nice groove. Smooth it off, couple staples. More staples at the top than down below. You don't want to see too many staple marks. Pull it tight, all along the top. Tuck it in, cut it, nice and clean. Done. And here's the finished result. And like I said, we do this in condos all the time. We do this in commercial applications all the time. This place happens to have underpad, so I thought you guys would like to see this as a finished result with carpet baseboard. Now give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, do all that great stuff. Let me know if there's any videos that you want to see. I'll try to get them done and put them out. And if you leave your name, I'll tag your name in it.